Just wipe the surface. The sequence is cleaning, oiling, drying, and sterilization by autoclaving. Don't remove the handpiece immediately after the use. Keep it on the machine. Step on the foot switch, leaving it run idly for about 30 seconds. Let it spray and rinse the lumen. With clean water from its own device, remove it after 30 seconds. And clean and rinse. Under running water, rinse the outside. Keep the burr here. At the same time, pay attention to the sealing ring in this place. Do not remove it when rinsing. When taking it, this end should be a little higher, and this end a little lower. The water flows down when flushing. Don't act like this. Because tap water contains impurity, if water flows like this, it will drip into the lumen, which will affect the lifespan. So you should rinse like this. This end should be a little higher, and this end a little lower. Wipe with a soft cloth during the process. The reason why we wash with this burr on is to prevent the impurities from the tap water from falling into this mounting hole, which will affect the subsequent preparation and progress. So be sure to rinse the surface with tap water while keeping the burr on it. After rinsing, take a dry cloth to dry the water on it. And prepare to oil. Here we use special food-grade oil. It can clean and lubricate the lumen. This oil is equipped with a nozzle, which is specially used for docking the handpiece. You need to shove it over the nozzle, tuck in. After that, pick up the handpiece and remove the burr. When pouring oil into it, there will be a lot of oil spilling out. Take a cloth and put it here to cover it. Then the oil won't get sprayed on you. Make the nozzle face the second largest hole, which is the oil filling hole. Insert the nozzle into the oil filling hole. Block the biggest mouth with your thumb. Then press the button on the tank for 2 to 3 seconds. If you still feel it dirty after pressing it once, press it for 2 or 3 seconds again. This allows for adequate cleaning and lubrication. In addition, the burrs should also be rinsed and oiled. Therefore, it will be very lubricating and easy to install the burr. Spray all the impurities out. It takes about 2 or 3 seconds. Next, put it in the instrument tray for 15 minutes. After that, the inner structure will be fully lubricated. Then take a dry cloth to dry the surface. while holding it next to the machine. The button on the right side of the three-purpose syringe is specially used for spraying. It acts as a high-pressure air syringe. When there is gas in it, spray continuously on this oil-filling hole. It can blow it dry. Same to this one. Spray the big hole, including here. Spray the surface like this and dry it. Then high temperature and high pressure packaging and sterilization can be carried out. I want to talk about some tips. These handpieces cannot be cleaned in an ultrasonic cleaner. They must be rinsed with running water. Ultrasound cannot be used because it has vibration, which will damage some of the precise structures inside. Pay attention to its lifespan. In addition, when sterilizing, don't put it in the disinfectant. This is because the disinfectant is somewhat corrosive. And the exterior will be corroded, damage the structure inside, which will affect the service life. And the exterior will be corroded. If so, the product will be scrapped. Therefore, if you really want to sterilize, use high temperature and high pressure. When sterilizing at high temperature and high pressure, be careful to remove the sealing ring. Take it out and put it in the box that comes with it. After disinfection, plug the sealing ring back. Keep this flat, facing in, and the convex side facing out. When it is under high temperature and high pressure, the temperature must be controlled below 135 degrees. Otherwise, the machine will get damaged.